all the stuff for the rear diff install is right in here. Yeah, it's actually got the weight up. Say about 60 pounds, 70 pounds.
Make it looking easy.
Yeah,
it's not like you just, you know, like you just try to change tires.
Put a lot of breath, and I'm fat.
You know, we're built.
Yes.
All right, let's see this bad boys. Yeah, take your time.
Taking a video.
Breathe. This is gonna be the best unboxing ever.
Yes, here it is.
Cause you're probably we're gonna have to call 911 in a second. By the way, get those T-shirts, guys.
Yeah, I sold like 3 of them.
Get more of them. They're so cool.
I think they look better than the other ones. I sold like 3. I saw a shit ton of sold a shit ton of CAMMED Ram shirts, but not many of these.
Yeah.
But it's all good.
You need to get a hot model. I'll put it on
next
next
time.
time.
Half naked on it. You guys can buy them. Everyone knows my rear diff went from 2-3 videos ago. The clicking, the clanking, the banging. Now, in a bunch of comments, I got a bunch of messages on Instagram and even Facebook saying, yo, get this, get this, get this. Everyone gave me their opinion. But I looked into so many different things. I looked in the Detroit, the True Track. I looked in Eaton True Track. I think it's True Track if I'm not mistaken. Looked at limited slip from Mopar again. I looked at the stock one. And I looked into Yukon. I looked into a bunch of different things. And the best bet for me was Yukon. Now, the reason I went with Yukon is because they have the 9.25 ZF differential. Detroit's True Track was a 9.25. And for what everyone's telling me, you have to change axles, and it costs up to like well over $1,000 just in parts. Just because you have to change the axle to the 9.25. This differential is for the 9.25 ZF zip locker. Oh, it's in there pretty good. And it's a little heavy, and the boxes are all a little messed up. First time I'm unboxing this with you guys also. And here it is. This is
yummy.
As you can see, it's clutch packed. Still has spider gears, but it's basically going to sit exactly like mine is. I think it sits like this or the other way. I think it's sitting like this. But here's the differential. Yes, I went with Yukon. Yes, it's almost a direct replacement. And that's why I went with it. And it's a lot better than the Mopar. And also, from what I was reading about what on the website, this is fully rebuildable.
So if it breaks, you can...
Everything in here is replaceable. You don't have to get a whole new diff. So that's good. I really like that. This is a lot stronger than the Mopar. Yes, the True Track probably is the best bet from what everyone's telling me. But I talked to Steve. I go to Steve. I listen to him more than anybody. And he said, this is 1,000 times better than Mopar. Go with it. We're good. Get it.
All right. And this is, you pay this out of pocket. There's no...
this is all out of pocket.
This is no, like...
No.
You're giving this out of your own opinion, and this is not like...
Of course, we got gears. Ring and pinion.
I love there. That's a badass.
Yeah, I actually like that, too.
Super nice. I like the fact you can rebuild this stuff.
That's what I like. That was...
If anything happens.
Exactly.
Especially with the way you race.
Yep. Man.
Yo. Heavy duty.
Yes. We stayed with 321 gears.
Why? Explain us.
The number one reason we stayed with 321 gears is because I have a 4x4. If anyone knows, I'd have to change the whole front differential to 321s or 3 to whatever gears I have to also. Yes, I'm still out of breath. So that's why I'm trying to breathe here, and you can see I'm sweating. But yes, we stayed with 321. We got Yukon gears. And everyone said you can get Yukon gears with the Detroit True Track. But I wanted to get all...
The whole nine.
Whole nine. Yukon, everything. Yes, I do have all the oil coming, the gear oil and all that, the limited slip additive. That's all coming in this week.
How much does this all cost?
This, and we got a master install kit with gears, bearings, all
Nice.
the good stuff in here.
Oh, cool. Ford Performance.
Oh my God.
Oh, you're welcome. Just kidding.
It's fine. This all came to, with tax, $695.
Wow.
Yeah.
For a whole kit.
For the whole everything, yep. This was basically it. Yeah, it came with everything I needed. So I'm very happy with everything it comes with. Steve, my man, he's gonna have fun doing this.
You're gonna tow this to Steve or Steve?
Yeah, Steve
okay.
wants me to bring it to him. It's an hour away. So I gotta get the guy. The guy I'm gonna go with is the same guy that towed me here when I broke the transmission.
Gotcha.
He actually, Steve recommended him to me. The guy that, you know, he was a cool dude. Steve known him for years. And I'm going to contact him sometime during the week once we're because it's going in this Saturday. From what Steve told me, we can do it Saturday, but I want to be 100% sure we can get it on Saturday. I want to make sure it's definitely a go before I tell this guy, hey, be here Saturday early.
Sure.
Get there by Steve by 8 o'clock.
So, we're going to tow it, put it in, and then we're back to the strip?
Yes, back to the strip as soon as we can get
Does this
there.
require anything tuning-wise afterwards, or just straight? Okay.
Just straight. It's all, the tune is already dialed in because it's all part of the engine. If we change the gears, I probably would say, yeah, he'd probably want to do something different. I'm
Gotcha.
not sure, though. But because we're staying with 321 gears, the only thing different is this. But it's still a limited slip differential. It's a positive traction, Yukon.
And you don't lose your 4x4,
I
everything?
lose my 4x4. I could have got 355s or 392s. 392s, I don't think I would have went with. I probably would have went with 355s because it keeps you in 5th gear all the way down the track. With 392s, it'll shift me in the 6th gear. I don't want to shift in the 6th.
Got it.
I want to stay in the stay at the top of 5th gear instead of having that extra shift.
Question for you. Does it need a break-in period?
I read on a form. I was reading through the forums about it, and one guy said he needed a 500-mile break-in period for this. I don't know if that's true. Please let me know in the comments.
Comment below. Yeah.
I'm not too sure. I don't know why it would, considering it's just gears and you know what I mean.
It's not like it's not like
Exactly.
it's a spinning part.
But
It's,
if it does need it, then I will. I will do the proper break-in period. Me and him will take a 4-hour trip one way and one way.
Yeah.
back.
Oh yeah. We'll do a road trip.
We'll take a road trip just to break it in, just so we can get to the track and get some results out of everything. Because this, you gotta realize, I've been doing this on a broken limited slip. And
You could be way faster.
I could probably get off the line even harder now.
Wow.
You know what I mean? I'm doing low 1760s, possibly half the time, doing one-wheel peels. I don't even know.
You want to? Can you show us the damage again and what you did down below?
Yeah.
Let's take a little road trip down here.
Oh, it's so torn up.
It's actually cool down here. Let's hang out.
Well, as you see all the gears here destroyed. They lift up in here.
Oh yeah, look at
That's
that.
broke. Here's loose. You see it moving probably.
When you hear that kind of noise, yeah.
This was the clicking. Bang! And then when the gears are turning, that's when it got really torn up and everything like that. Yeah.
So all this is coming out. You're gonna put that new juiciness.
All the new juiciness going right back in.
It's gonna be bad ass, bro.
Yes. I can't wait to get this thing up and running. It's been sitting on this up here for I don't know, whenever the last video was when I did a week and a half, something like that. And I just want to get the Ram back. I love the Lexus, but that's a daily. That's not getting you guys new content. This is the content maker. This is the thing that's beating up on, you know, supercharged trucks. We got to beat up some more. I got some EcoBoosts I want to take out. I got some Jeeps. I got some, you know, vehicles that want to race me. I got cars that want to race me. Saying, your truck not that fast. I'd run that in a car. Yeah, you run that in a car. You run that in a car that comes with 70 more horsepower stock. And it weighs 2,000 pounds lighter. So
Hulk's gonna smash soon again, bro.
Hulk! Smash! Now that this is not a daily no more, it's gonna come harder. We're going harder. We're gonna.
Are you teasing some of the stuff coming up,
Well,
or you
we're
want to?
teasing that's put on hold for a while, which sucks. I don't even want to say what it is because it still may be available, just not right away. But it will be. Something big will be coming. But right now, probably towards the end of the year, we're going to just get this fixed up, running great, low 12s, easily, definitely. I mean, we're trying to go for Jay's 5.7 record for the 4-door.
Which
NA.
is?
12.18.
Uh-oh.
No 4-door is beating that NA besides himself, which is now he has a 426, but I want to go for that record. It's going to be hard to beat, I'm not going to lie. It may not even be possible, but I think it's definitely going to be close. Within a tenth. And the way it's running now, and maybe a couple little small mods for till the end of the year, anything's possible. especially the way it ran against that Silverado.
Yeah.
It's running friggin' mid 12s and friggin' 2200 DA. It was actually hotter than what I posted. It was actually 2200 when I looked it up. Yeah, it's got more in it, and we're gonna see what she does. And I actually am going to be taking out more weight too. It's not a daily. Probably all of this is coming out. I don't need it. I'm not.
There's no reason for all that. You can save another 100 pounds, dude.
Yeah, this thing here to here, I think is 50-some pounds. So we're going to be taking that out. I don't need it to tow. I got my wife's Durango.
Cutouts.
Yeah. Cutouts. I'm thinking maybe I don't know. I got a lot of plans coming up for this thing, and now that we're getting the rear fixed back up and it's stronger, big things coming. Big things coming to the channel. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited. You're going to see some Ram do some damage.
All right.
All right, guys, so that's what's going on with the Ram. Everything that you know. We're ready to get this thing put back together. Steve, hopefully we can do it this Saturday. That's his plan for right now. And, you know, we're going to get going on it, and we're going to hit the track and have some fun. To the next one. Peace.